Welcome back for the final installment in our video series on editions management in ArtCloud. As a reminder of what we've accomplished so far, in video 1 we laid the foundation for understanding how to use edition features in ArtCloud by explaining its three-tier architecture, grandparent title, parent set, and child record, as well as defining the differences between each tier and providing recommendations for how they should be used. In video 2, we took all of that theory and applied it to the ArtCloud platform by building out our edition records and sets for the Neon Motel pool. In this final video, we will organize those sets we've created into an edition title, step through how to view the various edition tiers in ArtCloud, and then learn what all of this means for your ArtCloud website. Let's get to it. After logging into ArtCloud, we'll navigate to Inventory, and in the subsequent drop-down menu, click Edition Titles. This section will take us to the Edition Titles dashboard, and in the top right-hand corner of the screen, we'll click Add Edition Title. The Add Edition Title form or overlay will now appear. Before we apply our data, it's important to note that the artwork name applied here. This informs how the entire edition will appear on your ArtCloud website. The key difference between artwork name at this level and artwork name at the edition set and record level is that we don't want to make any mention of medium or size here. That's probably mystifying to you right now, but I promise it'll make more sense in a moment. So let's begin applying our data. We can ignore the upload image function as this will automatically be populated when we add our sets, but we'll give this the edition title name, the Neon Motel Pool. Now, the selection of an artist name in this field will filter all available edition sets in your ArtCloud account down to those that pertain only to the artist you've selected. So let's select the artist name, John Rodriguez, and then click the button, Link Edition Set. A pop-up will appear where we can select all the edition sets that we want to link under this title. So we'll select all the Neon Motel Pool sets. And then in the top right-hand corner of this pop-up, we'll click the button, Add 6 edition sets. What we see now is the edition title record. You'll see a picture has automatically populated in the image section. And down below that information, you'll see all 6 of the edition sets we've created. You can see the summary here, 1 through 6 of 6 edition sets, linked to this edition title. Our final step is to make the edition title viewable on the website. So we can accomplish this by clicking on the tab Marketplace/Website at the top. When we do, we go down to Show this on your website and toggle this to On. And that's it. We've just taken all of our edition sets and their associated records and organized them under a single edition title. Before we leave the ArtCloud application to review what all of this means for your ArtCloud website, I wanted to quickly go over how you can view, access, and edit all of the edition records, sets, and titles we just created. First, if we go to Inventory, we can see each individual edition record. As you can see, if we scroll down, we can see all 60 inventory records or edition records that I promised in video 1. We can click into an edition record to make edits. From the edition record, we can navigate to the edition set, as we saw in video 2, to go ahead and make edits there. We can also see all the sibling edition records by clicking this button, See Siblings. Again, sibling edition records are simply all edition records that reside under the same set. We'll close this out and go back. Next, we'll go view edition sets. If I click this in the left-hand menu, you'll see we have 6 edition sets, each one named the Neon Motel Pool, followed by a parenthetical citation around the medium and the size. The reason why we do that here, we're finally going to get to the explanation for this, is in this particular view, it is helpful to know what the specific set is. If we did not add that parenthetical citation around medium and size, then every single set here would appear the same and you could get lost over time, could get confusing if you're not giving yourself some markers to help you understand what the set actually is. All right. Now if we go to edition titles, we'll see that one edition title that we have. And unlike the edition sets, we don't have the parenthetical citation of medium and size. That's because on the website, which we'll be pulling from this information here, we just want the simplified title, the Neon Motel Pool. You'll recall that in video 2, we summarized the process for adding edition records and sets into 5 critical steps. We'll now add 4 more for edition titles. The 6th step in this process is to enter the edition sets dashboard. 7, click the Add Edition Title button and fill out the form. 8, click the Link Edition Sets button and select the appropriate sets. And 9, click the Add Edition Sets button to save your work. And there you have it. In 9 simple steps, you are able to create your edition records, organize those records into edition sets, and group those edition sets into a single edition title. Now, let's go see how all of this translates to your ArtCloud website. Welcome to our imaginary ArtCloud Fine Arts Gallery website. On this inventory detail page, you'll see the edition title, the Neon Motel Pool. Let's talk about where the major data points are coming from. The artwork name is being pulled directly from the name we applied on the edition title itself in the ArtCloud Manager. Your website will indicate various mediums and dimensions are available, also dictated by all the edition records you created for this title, and the range of prices is based upon the range of prices listed on those edition records as well. While not every customer has e-commerce capabilities enabled on their website, it's important to review how shopping relates to edition titles. If a collector is interested in purchasing a print in this title, they can click the button Add to Cart. A pop-up will appear where they can shop either by medium, dimension, and/or price. Once your collector has made the appropriate selection and is ready to initiate their purchase, they simply click Add to Cart. And that's it. You've learned all you need to know about the editions management in ArtCloud, and you're officially off to the races. If additional learning is required, you have access to the ArtCloud knowledge base where there are a few articles that can help you out. Additionally, ArtCloud support stands ready to answer your clarifying questions. Cheers, and let us know how we can help.